Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you become VIP into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to become VIP, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this multiple dotted icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after that you will get to see this little VIP 0 icon below your name. Just simply select VIP, and after selecting that you will get to see a bunch of options into this page. Now into this page you just simply have to tap to fast track application, and after tapping into that you will directly get this option of become a VIP. Just simply tap into become a VIP, and after that you just simply have to scroll to all the way bottom and you have to choose your social media ad very first, and after that you have to introduce yourself by entering your contact information, and now at last upload your image and tap to submit. They will check your request and perform according the needed actions, and this way you can easily become VIP into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.